In front of me is Xiaomi 15 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Live Fluid Theme from Mad Scientist. When it's ready, launch it, and to mute the music, hit Consent and tap at the bottom left corner. To manage wallpaper settings, click at the top left corner, manage all of those, and then go back by clicking on top right corner here. Select those three lines at the bottom right corner, hit Set as Live Wallpaper, select Yes, tap on Set Wallpaper, and decide where. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!